First up is Ikea. I just found out that Ikea sells Christmas decor, so I definitely wanted to check it out. The first thing that I went to look at was this faux eucalyptus. I have some ideas of mixing it with pine garland, so this one is nice. It looks good for faux eucalyptus, so it's gonna work well. I passed on that wreath. It was a little too skimpy for me. I wanted to be a little fuller, so that one was a pass. Now we're entering their little Christmas area. They call it the Winter 2021. So we went in there and just checked some of the items out. They had a great deal on wrapping paper. I didn't pick any up because there weren't any that I really loved, but it was a good price. I want to say 3 rolls for $1.99 or something. Next, we went to these candles. They were okay. My husband got one. These were so nice, but definitely did not pick it up. I don't need any more blankets. Now, this was what I really came here for, to see the ornaments that they have. They have a great natural selection. If you are going for more of a minimalist vibe for your Christmas decorations, Christmas decor, this is the place to come. They have natural wood, natural like paper type ornaments. It's a great selection. Ultimately, I didn't get a whole lot, but it was nice going to the Christmas section at IKEA. Walmart is usually my go-to place for, well, everything, but I was not finding anything that I did not already have. They have not updated a ton for Christmas. They have some new things, yes, but there was really nothing that I saw that was really catching my eye that was new. And if it was and I really liked it, I grabbed it. But on this particular trip, I didn't pick up much. Now, one thing that I did get was this pampas grass. I got the little clips, not necessarily this, but they look just like that, but they're little clips to go on the tree. I did not show them in the video, but I did get those, and I thought those were pretty cool. I wish they had more stuff like that. My Walmart is quite limited, but there were some new things. These ornaments caught my eye, but I already had some big ones, but I do regret getting them because when I went back, they didn't have them. But yeah, they had some things that go with my theme, which is more natural, more neutral color tones. These trees caught my eyes as well, but I ultimately ended up just getting one just for fun, and that was about it for Walmart. If you do not go to the Target dollar spot for Christmas, you're missing out. I find so many good things in the dollar spot. Oh, these bristle trees. It was a fight to get some, but I got some. I picked a few up. They're so cute. Can't wait to decorate with them. I was gonna get these glass trees, but they were so small. And then when I found a large one, I just wasn't interested anymore. These pillows, you have to dig, but I did find a good one underneath all of the ones about cabins. And these blankets for $5, these $5 throws, go get you a throw. Find somewhere to put it. I know I said I didn't need any more blankets, but I needed that blanket. The rest of the stuff was just really cute things that you can just put around your house for $5 and under. It's definitely worth going to look, see what you can find. My last stop was the Dollar Tree. Do not sleep on the Dollar Tree. There are so many hidden treasures in the Dollar Tree Christmas section, from ornaments to wrapping paper to flowers to there's just too many to name. Here I was looking through the ornaments to see what they had. Now, granted, yes, you're going to get a lot of kitschy things, but you're also going to be able to find some cute things that could go in with the items that you may already have or items from another store. So it's definitely worth checking out. If you have little ones, this is also a great section of just little arts and crafts and things that you can do during the Christmas break. This is a section that I really like, the bow section. You can find some really good bows at the Dollar Tree. I got these last year, but then these caught my eye. They have like a velvet feel to them and I just couldn't resist. I got so many of these bows and I can't wait to use them. I also got a few of these bristle trees in white, thinking of making a little village. I'm not quite sure yet, but I'll find some place to use them. Okay, I love these hooks. The clear ones, the white ones are trash, but the clear ones work for some reason, and these are perfect for hanging decor or just around the house. So that was pretty much all I got at the Dollar Tree. Picked up a few things and I'm headed out. So that was my shopping trip. Did you enjoy this shopping with me? I know it's not a thrift with me, it's something new. I found quite a few bargains that I cannot wait to decorate with. So join me next week and I will be doing a decor haul to show you all of the things that I picked up on this shopping trip. Until next time, stay bright, live true, and be vividly you. Bye!